Hey, what is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name's Aubrey. I'm here to help creators like you grow, create, and thrive on YouTube. Today, we're diving into something super useful, especially if you're part of a content crew, building community, or just want to support your favorite creators. I'm going to teach you how to link your channel to other YouTube channels right on your homepage. Okay, so why should you even bother linking to other channels? It's actually a really smart move for a bunch of different reasons. First off, it's going to build trust and credibility. When people see that you're connected to other quality creators, it adds legit vibes to your channel. Cross promotion, you help other creators grow and they can do the same for you. It's a win-win situation for both parties, or you could just be promoting your other channels. Create a channel network, especially useful for second channels, podcasts, side projects, team members, or channels within your niche. So, for instance, because I'm doing something like this, I might post something like Think Media or Think Media Podcast or something to that effect, just as an example. For what I'm going to show you is I'm going to link one of my other channels to this particular YouTube page that you're going to be looking at here. Most importantly, you get to support your friends, give them some love, and help your audience discover more awesome content. So if you have a favorite YouTuber, if you got a friend that you really want to promote, maybe he doesn't have as many subscribers as you, and vice versa, you guys can share your page as a direct link on your YouTube channel. You'll be able to see an actual screenshot or the actual thumbnail for those particular channels, which is really, really cool. All right. You convinced? Let's break down exactly how to set this up on your channel. So we're going to switch over into my computer, and we're also going to switch microphones as well. All right, what you are seeing now is my actual desktop where it's showing your channel. Now, what we're looking to do is have a circular kind of link right in this area. So you've seen it on different channels. If you've gone to websites like Think Media or Think Media Podcast, which I'm a big advocate for them, then you will see some of these actually on their channel. So first thing that we're going to do is you're going to go into your YouTube studio. So this is just your basic dashboard that you can see here. One of the main ways that you can go into click customization. And as you can see here, this is just your standard channel customization. You're going to click Home tab. And then over under Layout, you're going to click Add Section. Now, this is for right now, 2025. If this was like 3 or 4 years ago, I think this was a little bit different. So if you click Add Section here, you're going to go all the way down to Featured Channels. Once you click that, it's going to bring up a section here that you can call it My Channels or whatever you want to. Now you can locate the YouTube channel that you actually want to add on here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look up my other YouTube channel, which is obviously the highest subscriber count on YouTube right now, titled that. And as you can see, it added over in channels in section. I'm going to click done. And now you can see it's right here at the bottom. Now I'm going to click publish. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the channel. It's not there yet, but we're going to refresh it. And then we're going to scroll down and you can see it at the very bottom here. Now you can adjust this. So if you don't want it at the bottom, like say you want it maybe somewhere up here at the top, you can actually go click the 2 little lines right here and you can move it up. So you can see the little line going straight across here that's showing where it's going to pop up on the actual screen itself. Now, once you click publish, you can go back here and refresh it again. And as you can see, it is right here, right where I actually placed it. Now, one thing that's awesome about you putting it up higher there, it gives it more visibility to your users. Now, that's if they come straight to your main homepage right here. Now, dragging and dropping your feature channel section to a higher part of your home page layout is a little bit of a pro tip. So what's cool is this makes people see these links first. Now, tip number 2 is you can use different sections for different groups. You got multiple teams or niches, you can add more than one featured section. So say you want to click this, add featured channels. You can type in something like friend channels. And you can go and click Think Media Podcast, things like that. As you can see, they are there. And now they are showing up here on your actual channel as well. So let's just say we want to drag this up to the top up here right underneath yours. Click Publish again. And you're going to scroll down a little bit, and now you can see the other friend channels that I've added on there. Now, the nice thing about this is you want to update it pretty regularly. It's basically because your channel is going to grow and it's going to change, so you definitely want to keep your list fresh. Maybe rotate featured creators every month. So if you have somebody who is your streamer of the month that you really like Think Media or Demolition Ranch or something like that, which unfortunately just recently closed, you can post it on here and kind of cycle things around. Try to keep it in the niche that you're in, or, have it where people are at least able to see your particular links. Are you still not sure where this is going to fit in your strategy? Here's when this is going to work best. If you have a second channel, like a vlog or behind the scenes content, this is going to help. If you run a group podcast and want to link co-hosts, this should help. If you're part of a YouTube community or a Discord server, if you collaborate often and want to keep the energy going, or if you're just a fan and want to share the love with your viewers, that's how you link your YouTube channel to other creators. It's simple, powerful, and honestly, it shows you're about community, not just content. If this video helps you out, please drop a like, hit subscribe if you feel that I was sufficient enough for you. Hopefully, I was good. If you have any questions or you're stuck on something, comment below. I reply to everybody that I possibly can. And hey, subscribe if you want more YouTube growth tips, content hacks, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Go link up with your crew, and I'll see you in the next one.